Hi everybody, welcome back to Wendy's Decorium and welcome to my new subscribers. Absolutely overwhelmed. I just want to say thank you to my original subscribers and the new ones. Thank you very much, it's wonderful. We've actually reached 100 and we will be doing a 100 subscriber special video. That will be next week. Have I anything else to tell you? Yes, also before the 100 subscriber special, if anybody that hasn't voted could go to our community tab and vote, that would be absolutely wonderful. Thank you. Right, let's get on with it. I'm going to try something new today, new for me, not new on the market. Aquacast texture. Apparently it gives like a stone effect. You can either leave it smooth or you can sand it for like a texture. Yeah, we're going to give it a go. I've been really excited about getting this. It comes with a data sheet and it's a bit of a different ratio than the normal Aquacast. It's 100 grams powder to 20 grams of water. You do have it does tell you somewhere. Oh, there we go. 10 to 15 minutes pot life. Shelf life indefinite when kept 100% dry. And it takes 2 to 3 hours to cure, and obviously the 24 to 48 hours to totally cure. So let's get on with it. I'll show you the molds. I'm going to do quite a few, only because I just want to see what they look like. I think this one will be nice with like a stone texture. That's the hazelnut pot. This is just a nicely shaped pot. I don't know if you can actually, funny on camera, doesn't show the shape of it. I'm hoping that line doesn't come through. Anyway, we'll do that. You've seen this before if you've watched my other videos. That one. And I've never cast in this one. Right, and I'm going to make candles of them all, hopefully, if I've got enough wax left. Right, so let's get to it. 100 grams of powder to 20 grams of water, just to reiterate. And I'll be back with you when it's all mixed up. All mixed up now. It mixed really nicely, not much mixing at all. It's got like a sandy texture to it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Right, I've only mixed 200. I just wanted to see how it worked first. Let's pop it into, I'll tell you what, let's pop it into the hazelnut. I'm not colouring it for the simple reason I just want to see what it's like at the minute. If I get to the last one and I have that impulse to colour it, I will do. I'm just seeing how much this will take. It's flowing very nicely. Impressed so far. Same as usual. I'm squeezing all the ends. Shouldn't have filled it up that much really to squeeze. We don't want any air bubbles. Right. It really does have a very nice I was going to say texture then obviously, but not just the texture, the way it flows and everything. Yeah, I also want to thank everybody from Crafty YouTubers United and especially Tracy from Mini Scenes. They've been absolutely wonderful when I did the collaboration. Absolutely wonderful, all of them. Yeah, so thank you very much to them as well. time for demold. It's my favourite bit, this. I love demold. Right, we'll start with this one. I just want to see what it looks like. That's what I've been most excited about. There we go. Ooh, don't know if you can see that. It looks like stone, but it feels and looks shiny. That's nice. Oh, what a nice mould. Look at the, can you see that? The texture of it. Oh, we got an air bubble. I'll do something with that. That's very sweet. I can see now why they call it a hazelnut pot. That's nice. Should be a bit easier to sand now because it's still got moisture in it. Yep, that's nice. Like I say, a bit of clean up. Right, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll sand this one on camera. I'm using a fine grit sandpaper. I can already see the texture. Oh, wow, I didn't have to do much there. I'm hoping you can see that, the difference in texture there to that. Can you see it? Right, I will finish sanding them. I'll leave one as it is and I'll sand the rest and show you the difference. I'm back. They've been in the sun all day. I've sanded them. They've been in the sun all day and I've just put the first coat of wax on. Obviously I wax the inside before I put the candles in, but look at that. I'm hoping that the camera shows it. It's got a wonderful texture. It is really cool. That's that one. It just looks like stone. Like I say, I hope the camera's picking it up. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm over the moon. I really am. They do need a second coat of wax around the outside. They smell fabulous. I wish you could smell it. I've left this one. This one has not been sanded. Just to give you some kind of indication what it's like. Because it's beautiful when it's not been sanded. I mean, that is lovely. It's got like a stone effect, but it doesn't feel like it's very smooth. It feels like normal Aquacast, but looks very different. It's a beautiful little dish, that. But they've come out wonderful. I'm going to take some photos. I just think it is absolutely brilliant stuff. I can't wait to use it again. I really can't. And these will be coming on my next craft fair with me. They smell fabulous. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making them. I really did. I've had fun here. Right, and thank you so much for watching. If you could give me a thumbs up, that'd be amazing. Subscribe, because it is free. You don't have to if you don't want, but I would really appreciate it. And I will see you again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.